Okay, I wanted to make a nice little first look video here of the Akston SVR for you. So this is the first official video of the SVR. So the very first thing you're going to notice about the SVR is the cap. One big complaint I have about all of my high performance vaporizers is they're too big and they're inconvenient. So what we did in the beginning of the design was we added this cap, and this allows you to remove it and attach it to the base, so it makes for a really simple operation. Let me show you the voltage controller. So let's take a closer look. So you can see the unit is quite finely machined. The machine work is kind of on a different level than most of what's out there today. Threads are just smooth as silk. Let's see if we can hear that. Take a look at the threading, how smooth that is. So the next thing you'll notice is the button is a flush button with an LED ring around it. So voltage control is done by pressing the button. There's the low voltage mode, approximately 3.9 volts. Click the button 3 times, and it switches over to middle voltage mode, which is between about 4.2 and 4.5 volts. You might hear a little sizzle there. And press the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it switches over to high voltage mode, and the button LED changes color. Press the button 3 more times, and it goes back to regular low voltage mode. So one thing that we were really found important in the design and creation of the SVR was that it needed to be tough. It's what's called IP65, which is water resistant, dust proof, and shock resistant. So I'm going to drop it just like that and show you that it's I mean, I don't suggest that when you get yours you do that all the time. You can see that that doesn't, it's designed to be durable. The way I figure it is, we as vapors carry these things around with us all the time, everywhere we go, and they need to be tough. They just absolutely have to be tough. I'm going to show you a size comparison here. Not really that big for a high voltage performance device like this. Okay, so here's something that I want you never to do. Please never do this, but I'm going to do it because that's how I am. So let's see, what's the best way to do this? Here's your SVR. It's got its batteries in it. It's fully charged and ready to go. You can see that. I'm actually, like I said, please don't do this. I'm putting that all the way underwater there. Turn that light off. It's a little bright in here. And I'm going to bring this back up here. Oh, it's a Daniel first look. Oh, okay, there we go. So let's take a look now. I've soaked my SVR nice and well. We've got it here in a cup of water, fully submerged. Can you even see it? Like I said, please don't do this to your device. This will void your warranty. It's not waterproof, but what we wanted was to have something that if you're out on the boat and you get a little wet or something, I'm going to keep this in the view so you can see. I just covered it, didn't I? I'm going to keep this up here where you can see it. If you're out in the rain, I just want to dry it off before I put a carto on it, but I'm going to keep it in here so you can see I didn't switch it out or anything like that. If you're out in the rain and you get a little water on your device, if you drip some fluid, I mean, I hear people ruin their high dollar PVs because they dripped fluid on the button. I'm like, I can't believe that. That's ridiculous. I mean, you want the thing to be I want to be out in the rain and I don't want to have to worry about it. I mean, that's ridiculous. So I'm going to throw a Carto on there, and I'm still in low voltage mode. Oh, I just changed modes. So I'm now in middle voltage mode. I'm going to take a It's nice, clean, smooth operation. So I wanted to show you, you're fully compatible, you're 510 compatible. This is a 1.7 ohm Smoke Tech dual coil. That's on medium, and it's a little warm. I mean, I have hit these at 4.5 volts on other devices and found it not to be, you'll see, this 4.5 on an SVR is not the same. Pulse Width Modulated is not the same. You're gonna get you'll see. I don't want to say 4.5 is stronger Pulse Width Modulated, because it's not, but because of the way the signal does that, it's a cleaner, smoother hit, and you like, here's 5 volts at it's actually 4.8 on this device at 1.7 ohms. And it's just quite nice. So that's pretty much it for the first look. Going to show you it's compatible with pretty much all your Ego Mega, Ego skirted devices, and it's compatible with anything that's 510. But the tip is specifically designed, if you're into your Ego stuff, it's specifically designed to mate up with your Ego skirted devices, and the MK series Cartomizers are designed to fit your Ego devices. So if you ever don't want to take your SVR out and you have your Ego device with you, you can just screw your SVR coil right into that. So we made it compatible up and down, which wasn't easy to do. Okay, that's plenty for a first look video, I think. Anyways, thanks you guys. Oh, what a terrible smile. All right. Yeah, don't put the engineer on the video. That's just a problem. You gotta have attractive salespeople coming in. Speaking of attractive salespeople, we will have, we're gonna be wholesaling. So attractive salespeople will be involved soon. Thanks, you guys.